Ninja DT201 XL Pro Countertop Convection Toaster Oven by Ninja Foodie. Review. Are you looking for highly versatile convection toaster oven to quickly cook family meals with faster, crispier, and juicy results? 10-in-1 Convection Toaster Oven by Ninja Foodie is ideal for home cooks who want to enjoy delicious meals at home with 10-in-1 limitless meal options. Why choose DT201 10-in-1 Convection Toaster Oven by Ninja Foodie? The Ninja Foodie XL Pro Air Oven is the extra-large toaster oven and air fry oven with true surround convection. You get up to 10 times the convection power of a traditional full-size convection oven, so you can make quick family meals on 2 levels, no rotating required. Plus, it features 10 cooking functions: air fry, whole roast, air roast, bake, dehydrate, pizza, broil, toast, bagel, and reheat. Extra-large countertop oven capacity. True surround convection, up to 10x the convection power. Ultimate versatility, 10-in-1 toaster oven. Air fry healthy meals, use up to 75% less fat. Digital display handle, shows the optimal oven rack positions. Crispier results, up to 30% crispier results. Easy meals for large groups, make 2 sheet pan meals at once. Here are some of the features that make it stand out. 10-in-1 limitless meal options. You can choose between 10 cooking functions: air fry, whole roast, air roast, bake, dehydrate, pizza, bagel, toast, broil, and reheat, for maximum cooking versatility. You can cook on 2 rack levels, for twice the capacity, without sacrificing even results. Quick family meals. Enjoy up to 10 times the convection power, versus a traditional, full-size convection oven, for faster, crispier, and juicy results. Fast, 90-second oven preheat time, and up to 30% faster cooking than a traditional, full-size convection oven. XL countertop oven capacity. With 2-level even cooking, while no rotating required, you can evenly roast all sides of a 5-pound chicken, and a sheet pan of vegetables, 2 of 12-inch pizzas, or a 12-pound turkey. With true surround convection, you don't even have to flip your food, or rotate pans. Easy, digital display handle. Based on the selected function on display, the optimal oven rack positions will illuminate. Also, when the door is open, display settings freeze, to prevent any accidental changes to the cook cycle, to achieve up to 50% more even baking results. Package and warranty includes 2 sheet pans, 2 wire racks, air fry basket, roast tray, and crumb tray. The highest temperature for this system is 450 degrees Fahrenheit. You have a 1-year limited manufacturer's warranty. Based on over 350 customer reviews and overall 4.7-star rating on Amazon. 10-in-1 toaster oven by Ninja Foodie is a popular, hugely versatile countertop 360 convection toaster oven for your kitchen. Here is what some of the users have to say about it. 5 stars. Multifunctional, multiple reasons to love this Ninja. We absolutely love this Ninja. It's large, and able to cook a lot of food, which is nice because it acts as a second oven when needed. The options are endless with this appliance. We use it daily as a toaster oven, and it's really efficient. We have also used it frequently to air fry. The preheat time on the Ninja is amazing. It heats up quickly and cooks very efficiently. I am very excited to use it as a dehydrator soon. This is also very easy to clean. All of the racks are easily removed and hand washed. Says Sindel S. 5 stars. This is the machine to buy. Wow, easy to read instructions, easy to use, easy to clean. I was able to get rid of my Breville and an air fryer. This Ninja does everything. So far, I've done wings, tater tots, garlic bread, asparagus, and pork chops. All came out delicious. You cannot go wrong buying this machine. Says Gordon J. Norkey. 5 stars. Ninja obsessed. Love my Foodie. I am a Ninjaholic, and do not even use my stove anymore. Oven saves so much time, and doesn't heat up the house. I had the flip-up version, which was great, but limited size of items you could cook in it. Not a problem with the XL. Says J. Tidwell. 5 stars. Love my Ninja XL oven. I already had the 5-in-1 for a few months when I ordered the XL oven. It does a great job cooking on 2 levels. I've roasted a whole chicken and made AC cauliflower at the same time. It was crisp and juicy and very delicious. It's a good companion to the Ninja grill, says Connie Hansen. 3 stars. Not sure I know what I'm doing yet. Not sure I know what I'm doing yet. Cooked a New York strip the first night in about 11 minutes, and it was the juiciest I think I have ever had, and I like mine well done. The next night, I tried a hamburger, and took almost 30 minutes. I could have done it in a fry pan in less than 15. Instructions aren't very good, in my opinion. If anyone has suggestions, I'm open to learn. I will update later on, with more experience, says R. Barker. 1 star. Product is only good if it is delivered responsibly. Product is beautiful. Too bad they use my UPS driver to deliver it, and drop it over my gate, in the rain, without a bag to cover it. Electrical and glass seem okay, but I am just at a loss as to why this is okay to do, says S. Holmes. Buy it on Amazon today. Click the link in the description.